So by special request today, we are making 12 of these bracelets with the Bowl Cozy and half Bowl Cozy stitch out designs for embroidery machines. So these are going to be shipped out for a class that they're going to be doing in one of like the local craft areas or into a private classroom where everybody is safe. So this is what I'm going to be sending out today by special request for one of my new favorite clients. So she has a background in sewing, and she also has a husband that is a repairman for sewing machines. So this is going to be a great little addition to their system. I'm super excited that she reached out to me, and I just want to make everybody aware that yes, I do special requests, and this may be on my Etsy store very soon. I didn't waste any fabric at all, and I set up the next one to go ahead and start stitching it out. So that way I can do continuously, just keep sewing up my Bowl Cozy faces and get them ready to do the sewing at the sewing machine. So here we go with our second one for my nephew. Always good to have a couple extra Bowl Cozies around in the cupboard.
My name is Robin, and this is Coco. This is our 50th cut. Please like and subscribe to our channel. We'd really appreciate it. Please comment below. That way she don't have to do this no more.
Okay,